So here we have this fantastic looking Mercedes-Benz on a 14 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a four-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off in the boot area first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, which can be increased by folding down those rear seats should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. On the right-hand side, the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. In the center, you can see the digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information for various things, including the total miles of this car. They are 60,874. And you can change that, as I say, for lots of different bits of information, all done using the buttons just here. We have our phone and stereo controls on the right-hand side. Over into the center is the main screen for the stereo, which, amongst other things, is where you'll pair your phone. The movement that you see me making on the screen at the minute is being done using this dial just here. You can use the buttons on this main display. For example, if I press Navi, you can see we're on the sat nav screen. Full color display, really nice, easy system to use. You can hit the radio button, and if we go up to audio, we can see we got radio, CD player, USB storage, and Bluetooth audio. But when it actually comes to the radio, we've got FM, medium wave, short wave, and long wave all available. Below the screen is the stereo unit itself. The buttons I mentioned a minute ago. You can answer and end phone calls. You can adjust the volume for the stereo. We have our CD player just there as well. You can put the car in eco mode with our hazard warning lights, and you can turn your parking sensors on and off. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperatures. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can divert the air once it enters the car in any direction you wish to here. The air conditioning is currently on, so that's off, back on again, or hit auto. That's a really good way of heating up or cooling down the car quickly depending on the temperatures you've set, and you can override that manually whenever you wish to. We have some storage in here and a 12-volt charging socket, and then the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.